Namaste everyone, welcome to maths class. Today we will see how to solve system of equations using matrix method. Theory part we have discussed in the last class how to solve system of equation using the formula x is equal to A inverse into B. If A is non-singular, we can use the formula x is equal to A inverse into B. Today we will see how to solve the problems. This is important for 5 marks. First problem, solve system of linear equations. Using matrix method. First problem, x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. Here we have to solve system of linear equations using matrix method. First we have to write the system of equation in Ax equal to B form. Solve the system of equation means we need to find out the values of x and y. There are two unknowns, x and y. We need to find out the values of x and y. Now, first write system of equations. System of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B, where what is A here? A is the coefficient values. Here 5, 2, 7, 3. What is x? X is the unknown value. What are the unknowns here? Two unknowns, x and y. Then this is the constant values. It can be taken as b, that is 4, 5. Now first we need to solve for x. X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse exists only when A is non-singular. We'll find out A is non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. First we'll find out the determinant 5, 2, 7, 3. This is equal to determinant 15 minus 14. This is equal to 1, that means not 0. Determinant of A is not 0, then therefore A inverse exists here. Determinant of A is not equal to 0, so A inverse exists here. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A we have already. We'll find out adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equal to, for 2 cross 2 matrix, we can write adjoint of A directly. Here what is A? 5, 2, 7, 3. For 2 cross 2 matrix, adjoint of A can be written as, reverse the diagonals, 3, 5. Here minus 2, minus 7. Now we'll write A inverse. A inverse equal to determinant of A is 1, 1 by 1 into adjoint of A. This is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. Now by matrix method we need to find out x. What is x here? X equal to A inverse into B. We have A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5 into B. What is B? 4, 5. Now this is equal to, multiply here, first row, first column, 3 into 4, 12, minus or we can write plus here, minus 2 into 5, minus 10, second row, first column, minus 28 plus 25. This is equal to 12 minus 10, 2, minus 28 plus 25 minus 3. Now what is x? X means xy. Here this implies that xy is equal to 2 minus 3. Now two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements are equal. What is this implies now? Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. This is the value of x and y. Second problem. Solve system of linear equations using matrix method. 4x minus 3y equal to 3. 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Same method here. Using matrix method, we need to solve system of equations. That means we need to find out the values of x and y. First, write system of equations. System of equations can be written as Ax equal to b. This system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equal to b, where what is A? A equal to coefficients 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. Now matrix X, these are the unknowns x, y. This is the constant values. B equal to 3, 7. Now first we will find out determinant of A. What is the determinant here? 4 into minus 5 minus 3 into minus 3. This is equal to minus 20 plus 9. This is equal to minus 11. This is not 0. Now determinant of A is not 0, then A inverse exists here. Determinant of A is not 0, therefore A inverse exists. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is already there, that is minus 11. We need to find out adjoint of A. adjoint of A equal to, similarly that is the 2 cross 2 matrix. If it is 2 cross 2 matrix, adjoint of A we can write directly, reverse here, -5, 4, non-diagonal elements, we need to change the sign, -3 becomes +3, then here it is -3. What is A inverse now? A inverse equal to 1 by, determinant of A is -11 into adjoint of A -5, 3, -3, 4. Now we have to solve for x. So by matrix method, what is the formula we have? By the matrix method we have x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse we have, B also we have, then we need to find x. Now this is equal to, what is A inverse? 1 by -11 into -5, 3, -3, 4 into B. What is B? 3, 7. Now this is equal to, write this as it is, 1 by -11, multiply here, 5 into 3, -15 plus 7 into 3, 21, next here, -9 plus 28. Now this is equal to 1 by -11 into -15 plus 21, this is 6, -9 plus 28, 19. So x means, this is x equal to A inverse into B, the value x and y. Now x, y, this is equal to, multiply this inside, -6 by 11, here it is -19 by 11. So what is this implies? Two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Therefore what is x here? X is equal to -6 by 11 and y is equal to -19 by 11. This is the value for x and y. Okay. Next problem. Solve system of equations using matrix method. X minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. Same method here. Here we have 3 unknowns. In the last problem we had 2 unknowns. Okay, first write, same method we follow here. System of equations can be written as system of equation can be written as system of equation can be written in the form of Ax equal to b, where what is A here? That is 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 here 1. Okay, x, these are the unknowns. How many unknowns here? 3 unknowns, x, y and z. So x is equal to x, y, z. What is b? B equal to 4 0 2. Okay, now equation can be written in the form of Ax equal to b means if you multiply these two we will get this. That means x minus y plus z, this is equal to first one 4. Similarly 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. Okay, now we'll find out determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant of 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Let us find out the determinant here. 1 into, you know already how to find the determinant. Delete first row and first column. Here 1 minus minus 3 minus along the first row positive negative positive minus minus 1 into, okay, delete first row second column. What is remaining? These two. 2 minus minus 3, okay, plus 1 into, delete first row and third column, determinant of this 2 minus 1 into 1 1. Okay, now this is equal to 1 into 1 plus 3 4, minus into minus becomes plus, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to 4 plus 5 9 plus 1, that is 10. Now determinant of A is not 0. What is that implies? Determinant of A is not 0. This implies that A inverse exists here. Now A inverse exists here, then we need to find out A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is the transpose of the cofactors, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, now we need to find out all the cofactors, then we have to write adjoint of A. What is A11? A11 means 1 plus 1 is even, so positive. If you want, you can write this determinant, or directly we can write the value. A11 equal to, say, cofactor of this, delete this, what is remaining? 1 minus 3, 1, 1. This is equal to 1 minus 3, that is 4. Next, A12 is negative, minus of A12 cofactor of this, delete first row and second column, what is remaining? 2 minus 3, 1, 1. This is minus of 2 minus 3. 2 plus 3, 5, it is minus 5. Next, A13 is positive, cofactor of this, delete first row and third column, what is remaining? 2, 1, 1, 1. This is equal to 2 minus 1, this is 1. If you can write this directly, no need this. Next one is A21. A21 is negative, cofactor of this, delete second row, first column, what is remaining? Minus 1, 1, 1, 1. This is minus of minus 1, minus 1. This is equal to minus 2, minus into minus becomes plus 2. Next one is A22. A22 is positive, cofactor of this, delete second row, second column, what is remaining? 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1 minus 1, it is 0. Next one is A23. A23 is negative, minus of, delete second row, first column, what is remaining? Delete this, okay, remaining is 1 minus 1, 1, 1. This is equal to minus of 1 minus of minus 1, it is plus, so this is minus 2. Next one is A31. A31, it is positive, delete third row and first column, delete this, what is remaining? Minus 1, 1, 1 minus 3. This is equal to 3 minus 1, it is 2. Next one, A32. A32 is negative, delete third row, second column, 1, 1, 2 minus 3. This is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 into negative, that is plus 5. Next one is A33. A33 is positive, delete third row, third column, delete third row, third column, remaining is 1 minus 1, 2, 1. This is equal to 1 minus 2. So it is 1 plus 2 is 3. Now what is adjoint of A? Now adjoint of A is equal to, write the values, A11 4, A11, A12, A13 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 5, 3. This is adjoint of A. Now we need A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A value is 10 into adjoint of A. Same matrix right here. 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. Next, we need to find out x by matrix method. We have to solve for x. What is x? By the matrix method, x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is the same value, B is the constants given in the question. So we need to multiply, then we solve for x, y and z. That is now x is equal to A inverse into B. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by 10 into, what is the value we have? 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5. Last row, 1, minus 2, 3. X is equal to A inverse into B. Here B is, in the question B is given, that is 4, 0, 2. Okay. Now 1 by 10 into, multiply here, multiply first row, first column, 4 into 4, 16, 0, 2 into 2, that is 4. Multiply second row, minus 5 into 4, minus 20, plus 0, plus 10. Third row, 4 plus 0 plus 3 into 2 is 6. This is equal to 1 by 10 into 16 plus 4, 20, minus 20 plus 10, minus 10, 6 plus 4 is 10. Now this is equal to, what is this? 20 by 10 to minus 10 by 10 minus 1, 10 by 10 is 1. X means unknowns, X, Y, Z. Now Here x, y, z equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Now this implies that here two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements are equal. So this implies that x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. These are the x, y and z values. We can verify the answer also. System of equations are given. You can substitute the values of x, y and z to the given equations. It should satisfy that equation. If it satisfies the equation, then our answer is correct. Okay. Next problem is system of linear equations using matrix method. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2, 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Here, same way, a system of equation can be written in the form of a system of equation can be written as Ax equal to b, where what is A here? Where A equal to coefficients 2, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. Here x is not there. If it is not there, we need to put 0. 0, 3, minus 5. What is x? X is the unknown matrix, that is x, y and z. 3 unknowns here, x, y and z. Next one is b. B here constants 1, 3 by 2, 9. We need to find out determinant of A. What is determinant of A? We can expand along first row or first column also. Here positive, negative, positive. Along the first row, 2 into, delete first row and first column. What is remaining? 10. Here 10 minus 3 minus 1 into, delete first row and second column, minus 5 minus 0 plus 1 into, delete first row, third column, 3 minus 0. This is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3, 13 plus 5 plus 3. This is equal to 26. 26 plus 5, 26 plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 34. That is not 0. Determinant of A is not 0. What is that implies? This implies A inverse exists here. Now, if determinant of A is not 0, A inverse exists. A inverse exists means we need to find out A inverse. A inverse is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, transpose of the cofactors. We'll find out cofactors. A11. A11 is positive. Delete first row and first column. Remaining is minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5. This is equal to 10 minus 3. This is 13. Next A12. A12 is negative. Delete first row and second column. What is remaining? 1, minus 1, 0, minus 5. This is equal to minus of minus 5 minus 0, so it is plus 5. Next A13. A13 is positive. Here delete first row and third column. Remaining is 1, minus 2, 0, 3. This is equal to, here positive, 3 minus 0, that is 3. Next A21. A21 is negative. Minus of second row, first column, delete this, 1, 1, 3 minus 5. Now this is equal to minus of minus 5, minus 5, minus 3, minus 8, minus into minus becomes plus 8. Next one is A22. A22 is positive. Delete second row, second column. Okay. Delete second row, second column. Remaining is 2, 1, 0, minus 5. This is equal to minus 10, minus 0, that is minus 10. Next A23. A23 is negative. Delete second row, third column. Second row, third column. Remaining is 2, 1, 0, 3. That is equal to minus of 6 minus 0, that is minus 6. Next A31. A31 is positive. Delete third row, first column. Remaining is 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1, minus of minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Next A32. A32 is negative. A32. Here third row, second column, 2, 1, 1, minus 1. This is equal to minus of minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus into minus becomes plus 3. Next A33. A33 is positive. Delete third row, third column. Remaining is 2, 1, 1, minus 2. This is equal to minus 4, minus 1, this is minus 5. Now what is adjoint of A? Now adjoint of A is adjoint of A equal to A11 here 13 5 3 8 minus 10 minus 6 1 3 minus 5. Now A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is 13 8 1 5 minus 10 3 3 minus 6 minus 5. Next, by matrix method, x equal to A inverse into B. Here A inverse is equal to 1 by 34 into 13 8 1 5 minus 10 3. Last row 3 minus 6 minus 5 into B. What is B? 1 3 by 2 9. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 34 right outside. Multiply the values now. 13 plus 8 into 3 by 2 3 here 8 into 3 by 2 2 4s are 4 into 3 12 plus 9. Okay, next 5 minus 10 into 3 by 2 2 5s are 5 into 3 15, so minus 15 plus 3 into 9 27. Next third row 3 6 into 3 by 2 2 3s are 3 into 3 9 minus 9 into 5 45. This is equal to 1 by 34 into here 12, sorry, 13 plus 12 25 25 plus 9 34 5 minus 15 minus 10 plus 70 plus 27, that is plus 17 3 minus 9 minus 6 minus 45, that is minus 51. Now we have to divide the value by 34, that is 34 by 34 is 1, 17 by 34 is 1 by 2 minus 51 by 34, divide by 17 here, so it is minus 3 by 2. What is the value here? These are the unknown values x, y, z. So two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So this implies x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2 and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. For verification, substitute the values in the given system of equation. The equation should satisfy any one of the equation. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Okay. This finishes the chapter. Go through the chapter properly. Thank you.